Hello, welcome to our barber shop.
Hello, I need a haircut.
Do you have an appointment?
No, I don't have one.
That is okay. Please sit here.
This black chair is comfortable.
Let me put this cloth here.
Thank you. It is quite big.
What style do you want?
I have an interview tomorrow.
Oh, an interview is important.
Yes, I want to look professional.
I can make you look handsome.
Please do not cut too much.
You want it long or short?
Just a trim, please, miss.
Just a small trim today? Yes, only 2 centimeters off. Okay, I understand the style.
Thank you. Please be careful.
Let me turn on trimmer. The machine sounds very loud. Yes, it is a new machine.
Wait, what are you doing?
I am cutting the backside. That feels very cold there. Don't worry, it looks good. Let me look in mirror. Please keep your head straight. But I feel a lot missing. It is just standard cut. Wait, look at topside. Oh, my hand just slipped. What do you mean slipped? The trimmer went too high. Oh my God, look here. Half of your hair is gone. This is not a trim? I thought you said buzz cut. No, I said just a trim. My hair looks completely bald.
I am so sorry, sir.
I cannot go interview tomorrow.
It does not look that bad.
Yes, it does. It looks terrible.
Let me try to fix it.
How can you fix this?
I can make it all even.
Even means cutting everything off?
Yes, that is only choice now.
This is a total nightmare.
The top is already too short.
I look like a different person.
Short hair is very modern now.
Not this short, Officer Leo.
Let me change the clipper blade.
Don't touch my head again.
We must finish the haircut, sir.
Okay, but do it carefully.
Yes, I will be super slow.
Let me cut left side now. Please make it look clean. Buzzing the left side now.
Wait, the machine just stopped. Oh no, why is it dark? The lights are all off. The power in shop is gone. Did the battery die again? No, the whole street has no electricity. You are joking with me, right? No! Look outside the window! Every shop is completely dark. This is a huge blackout. But my haircut is half done! Yes, left side is still long. And the right side is bald! I cannot see anything here. What should I do right now? I have one old tool left. An old tool? What tool is it?
I have my classic scissors here.
Can you see in dark?
I can use my phone light.
Please shine the phone here.
Yes, the screen is bright.
Can you finish with scissors?
Yes, I am an expert worker.
Please make both sides same.
Snip, snip goes the hair.
It feels very slow now.
Scissors take more time, sir.
As long as it looks okay.
I am cutting the long side.
Is it matching the bald side?
Yes, it is looking very even.
Thank you for trying hard.
I want you to look good.
Tomorrow is a big day.
You will get the job, sir.
I hope the boss likes short hair.
Oh, look, the lights are back.
Thank God, the power is on. Let me blow the loose hair. Let me look in mirror now.
Wow, look at that style.
It is completely short buzz cut. But it looks very sharp. My head feels very light. It makes you look younger. Yes, it is actually not bad. The shape fits your face well. I can see my eyebrows clearly. It looks very clean and professional. I am starting to like it. See? I told you, my friend. You did a good save. Thank you for your patience. It was a scary experience. But we have a good result. Yes, the haircut is okay now. How much do I owe you?
Because of mistake, it is free.
Really? No need to pay?
Yes, it is our shop policy.
That is very responsible of you.
We want happy customers always.
Here is $10 for tip. Wow, thank you for the tip. You worked hard in the dark. It was a crazy haircut today. Good luck to me tomorrow. You will do great, Sam. Let me take my jacket now. Have a safe walk home, sir. Thank you. Goodbye, Leo. Goodbye. See you next time. I am walking outside now. The wind feels cold on head. But I feel very confident. Ready for the interview tomorrow.